Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy ruffled flower. And you can use it plain like this, or you could sew a button in the center, or a cluster of beads, or even a pom-pom. So let's get started. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the first chain, and that will form a ring. Carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring. Chain 2, and that will count as the first double crochet, and I'm going to make a total of 10, so I need 9 more double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the center of that hole, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 of the loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. So that's the equivalent of 2. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make 8 more double crochet. 1, 2, like that. And now you can pull that yarn end and close up that hole in the center of the flower. And I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of that chain 2. Like that. And fasten off. Now I'm going to attach another color yarn in any stitch. Pull that through like that. Take 1 stitch with both the yarn end and the working yarn just to secure it. And that will count as the first stitch, so I'm going to chain 1 more. And in every one of these stitches, I'm going to make 5 double crochet. So that will count as the first double crochet, so I'll do 4 more in this stitch. Okay, so that's 5 double crochet, all in the same stitch. So I'm going to go to the next stitch and I'm going to make 5 double crochet. Like that, 5 double crochet, all in the same stitch. Now in every stitch all the way around, I'm going to make 5 and 5 and 5 all the way around. Okay, I've gone all the way around, making 5 double crochet in each of the stitches. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of that first chain 2, fasten off. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet this simple flower. And if you like, you could add a button or beads or even a pom-pom in the center. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.